Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, it's the holiday season, and what better way to celebrate your Christmas or your New Year's Eve than here on the upper Texas coast on Bolivar Peninsula. You know, with 27 miles of beachfront, it's the perfect location to spend time with family and friends, watch the sky light up with fireworks. And today we're here at Ray's Fireworks at 2902 Highway 87. You know, Ray's has been a family business for generations. They've been on Bolivar for as long as I can remember, and they do a lot in the community, giving back to the community and making sure the community has what it needs. They also have Crystal Beach golf cart rentals. So if you're looking, the great part about this fireworks stand is it's indoors. Right now it's cold out, but it's 70 degrees, and Randy told me it's 70 degrees in here no matter what. So if you're looking for a great place to buy fireworks, and the great part is Ray's Fireworks buys direct. So you're not buying from a third party or a fourth party, you're buying from the man that goes over to China and orders them himself. And so we've done some shows where the containers came in here and they were unloading fireworks, but they're open now. They open up about 10 or 11 o'clock daily, and then they're open late nightly. Depending on the traffic, it could be 9:30 or 10, it could be 11 o'clock. And so make sure you get out here early, grab your fireworks, and remember, Bolivar is a great place to shoot fireworks, but please dispose of them properly. Every year during 4th of July, New Year's Eve, Texas, all the holidays that we can shoot fireworks down here, someone doesn't clean up after themselves. And that's something that myself, Team Bolivar, and Ray's Fireworks hates to see. So please, extinguish your fireworks properly, soak them in a bucket. There's plenty of water beachfront, and then take them home with you or dispose of them there on the beach in the trash cans. So anyway, we just wanted to show you they're stocked, they're open, and they're ready for you to come down and celebrate New Year's Eve here on the upper Texas coast, Texas style, and light up the sky. And even if you don't light up the sky, come on down and enjoy some fresh seafood. Get ready for spring break, maybe summer vacation, because we're here and it's 2024 and we're ready to rock and roll. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live at Ray's Fireworks at 2902 Highway 87. They're about a block west of Stingery Road in the big white building. You can't miss it. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula and spend some time for New Year's Eve on the upper Texas coast. God bless and bye-bye.